Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 22 June. Today's video topic name is different types of tags in the HTML. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which are used the different types of tags to define the HTML language. So generally tags are defined in the angular bracket. There are three parts: open bracket, condition, and the or text or close bracket. So there is whatever we have to define, there is must be in the tags. So there is so first tag is doc type tag, which are define the which type of document we have to use. So suppose we have to use the HTML document, then it define the which type of version we have to use. Next is the HTML tag. HTML tag is the root tag, which are define the whole HTML file. HTML tag is defined after the doc type, and HTML tag contains the number of tags. Next is a head tag. Head tag which define the head section. Under head tag we have to define the title tag. Title tag which are used to define the title or give the title of the page or web page. So using that title we have to get the information about the form or page. Next is an body tag. Body tag which are used to define the important part, or under body tag we have to define the number of content or number of tags. Next is the A tag. A tag which are defined as the anchor tag. Anchor tag which are used to hyperlinks or links. Using that links we have to go to the one page to another page, or using that link or click on that link we have to go to the next web page. So that we have to use the anchor tag, like angular bracket a href is equal to in a double quotes www.google.com, and after that click and anchor tag close. When we have to click text, then we have to go to the Google page. Next is an address tag. Address tag which are used to give the information about the user or author to the page, or to the HTML page. Next is the B tag. B tag which are used to bold the text or increase the size of the text, and it is in highlight position. Next is the BR tag. BR stands for break line, and which are used to break the current line or break the single line. Next is the button tag. Button tag which are used to create the button or create some events on that clickable, or click that button. Next is the center tag which are used to set the align at the center, or set the whole HTML or text at the center of the page. Next is a call, which are used to column of the HTML. Next is the div tag. Div tag which are used to divide the session or divide the page in the number of session, like left, right, bottom, top, etc. So we have to define the one page in the number of session. It is called as a div tag. Next is a dir tag, means this tag which are used to get the directory of the page, of the HTML page. Next is the dialog tag which are used to create the dialog box. Next is the form tag. Form tag which are used to create the form in the HTML. Using form tag we have to create the different types of forms, and one by one we have to call using the anchor tag. Uh, next is the tr tag. Tr tag which shows the data of shows the rows in the table. Next is a table tag. Table tag which are used to create the table or arrange the data in the tabular format. Next is a td. This tag which are used to get the data in the table. Next is a th. which are used to give the heading of the table. Next tag is the OL tag. OL tag which defines as the ordered list, means using OL tag we have to get the ordered list. Next is the UL tag which are used to unordered list. Using this tag we have to get the unordered list. And next is the frame tag which are used to, in some our HTML page there is some session to we have to use the another HTML page, that's why we have to use the frame tag. And the another tag is frame set tag. In this frame set tag we have to use the different types of frames in our HTML page.